Hold up, wait, run that back. Who said synthetic wigs are for broke girls? Come, I just want to talk to you. Run that back a little bit. What was the reason? Sometimes people wear synthetic wigs because of affordability, whether it's the versatility, because you know it's a throw and go, it requires like minimal heat styling. It's the perfect remedy if you ask me. And over on these parts, we slay the day. So if I'm wearing it, you can bet it's gonna look good. And this $30 wig looks damn good. Anybody could slay a synthetic wig. And if you're anything like me, I've used synthetic wigs to perfect my skills. So when I finally get my human hair wigs, it's quiet. Ain't no back talk. Okay, so if you're new here, definitely subscribe. Okay, turn your post notifications on, and I'm not gonna hold you because we're gonna get into this $30 slay because it's gorgeous, and I hope you guys enjoy. And just meet me in the comments and let me know why you wear synthetic wigs, because we here. Myranda, the star of the show, is from Outre's Melted Hairline collection, and she features a 2x5-inch curved right side part, and it has 2 combs near the elastic band, adjustable straps, and an additional comb at the nape. Now they're going for the frontal effect, that melted look, so there's not much customization or tweezing that you need to do on the hairline. I just went in with my tweezers to break up the straight front edge at the perimeter. But let me tell you, you want to focus on that part. It already looks gorgeous. Y'all saw the intro, but I'm going in to remove some hair in the center of the part so I can lose that illusion or the appearance of those black knots, because I want it to look as realistic as possible. And as always, you know, we go in with the hot comb to slick everything down along the perimeter as well as in the area of the parting space, so it looks super sleek. And this also accentuates that flip over method. I'll have my hot comb linked in the description, so make sure you hop, skip, and jump right on down there, sis, because this slay awaits you. Okay, don't play. Stick with me, sis. Now I'm not gonna hold you, a $30 wig, but she's giving very much ashy lace, so I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder. Feel free to use concealer, foundation, but you want to tint that lace in the area of the part and along the hairline. Per your request, I wanted to show you guys how to remove the ear tabs. So I'm taking my comb and I'm going to slide the comb alongside the curvature of my ear and also make a section towards the front of my ear, removing any excess. So I'm going to split that hair that's on the front edge of my ear, split it in half, create a parting space, and just cut down that space. It can really honestly be that simple. If there is a lot of excess lace, it can be a little bit more scary. But again, I'll be coming back to talk more about that. Now, when installing the unit, I like to go in sections. So I always focus on the front section first. If you are a beginner, you need to hop on this wave. It's just easier for you in case you do make a mistake, because mistakes happen. And so I'm going in with the mini hard head spray. This is my favorite. I realized I love this because it smells good, okay? The high insta hold is good, but this smells really, really good. Y'all know the drill. And clean up the excess, okay? Now you guys can see this lace pretty much melts into the skin. This is the look we're going for, but definitely near the ear tabs, you may use the Invincible styling gel. That is something, you know, I always recommend using gel near the ear tabs because they get crazy, but that gel in the black bottle, it works bomb. So does the one in the yellow bottle. It really depends on your preference. The adult swoops on this unit are absolute perfection. You do not have to go intense, you know, because I did a little bit of tweezing, it only makes it look even more bomb. But I took out a tiny section of hair and used the Got To Be Ultra Glued and did some swoops. Look at how simple that is, okay? I know y'all like to have mustaches on your hairline, but not on this channel, okay? And I just wanted to tweeze a little bit just to thin out the area right next to my adult swoop, because that also makes a difference. And I realized some people do excess baby hairs because they're trying to hide the lace, but when your products really work well together, you can have like a seamless blend, and so you don't have to swoop every inch of the lace frontal edge. You could just do subtle swoops. I'm telling you, use the 2 products I recommended for that meltdown. After you finish doing the adult swoops, you want to go in with an elastic band. This is a heavy duty thick version. It is honestly so perfect. It's durable, it lasts long. I have the exact one I'm using in the description box because I actually highly recommend this brand, sis. Ooh, it's good. But you know, once I get myself together, like, sis, look at the hairline. It's giving, okay? It's giving what it was supposed to give. Now my focus is the parting space, so I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation in Toffee, and I'm going to apply this to the area of the part. Remember, we removed those knots, so it looks super clean, and this is only going to make it pop and look even more realistic and super natural. That's what you want. That's what you really want. Just make sure you blend really well and clean up any excess using like an edge brush. And I like to do my little finishing touches. You guys know I'm very particular about my flip over. It has to look superb. So this is why I suggest you guys like get comfortable with your hot comb. I placed my dial on the 15 mark. Honestly, you don't want to go too high in temperature, so definitely be careful. But what I did notice is that when you apply the heat, it sometimes creates a bend in the hair. So just make sure you drag the hot comb through the hair, not all the way down to the ends because you don't want to disrupt the curls. But just monitor, like if you see, sometimes it creates a bend, and I like to just smooth that down. I wanted to create a bit of height, so I went in with the high insta hold. You want to spritz it lightly just to create some height and some texture. Now drop down in the description box to figure out where you can purchase yours. This is how I'm coming this spring. This is the perfect way to bring in spring. And don't forget, let me know why you wear synthetic wigs, like, and tell me what was your favorite synthetic unit you've ever purchased. And I know I'm gonna get questions on my look, so my shirt is linked in the description box. And as for the earrings, I actually held this up so you guys could go to your beauty supply store and tell them to order this style earring, okay? Because it is everything I want. Mine from the beauty supply store is gorgeous. But be sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling the look. Meet me in the comments, and don't forget to share this with your homeboys and your homegirls because we need to be slaying, okay? It's almost hot girl summer, okay? Play if you want to, but we're gonna keep it cute and we're gonna slay the day all day, every day. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.